Question number 6 is about binomial. First of all, they give you the variance of the binomial distribution. So you remember is equals to NP 1 minus PY equals the variance. So you just substitute the data inside. Okay, and it's 25. P is unknown. 1 minus P equals 5.75. And then you substitute into the calculator. You got two answers and no value. So okay. Right, but both P are positive, so it's 0.6414. No need to use it again, so 6 points, okay. 0.35, right? So look at B, you don't need to use it. It should be result A, so physics figure is excellent. And then B, okay. Okay, and then the random variable y is 1 minus 2x. Find the variance of y, so multiplied by minus 2 and then plus 1. So for the variance, remember plus or minus does not affect it. And multiplied by a factor, the variance will be the factor square times the original one. So it's equal 5.74 times 2 square. Okay, get it, so you can say it will be 23. Very good question. Just use the data bullet calculator and you got 5 marks. Well done.